What does %s mean in a Python format string? What does %s mean in Python? And what does the following bit of code do? For instance,
it is a string formatting syntax, which it borrows from C. Please see PyFormat. Python supports formatting values in tostrings. Although this can include very complicated expressions, the most basic usage is to insert values into a string with a %s placeholder. Here is a really simple example. The %s token allows me to insert, and potentially format, a string. Notice that the %s token is replaced by whatever I pass to the string after the % symbol. Notice also that I am using a tuple here as well. When you only have one string, using a tuple is optional, to illustrate that multiple strings can be inserted and formatted in one statement.
Andrew's answer is good. And just to help you out a bit more, here's how you use multiple formatting in one string. If you are using ints instead of string, use %d instead of %s.
The format method was introduced in Python 2.6. It is more capable and not much more difficult to use.
%san %dr format specifiers or placeholders for formatting strings, decimals, floats, etc. The most common used format specifiers: %s, string; %d, decimals; %f, float. Self-explanatory code.
If you want to see more, please engage the chat.